Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to learn how to create integration, that is to publish and subscribe a message to Oracle integration. Publish and subscribe kind of integration will enable you to publish the messages to Oracle integration, and integrations that enable you to subscribe to message from Oracle integration is similar to like concept of queue, wherein you can publish a message to a queue and the subscribers of the queue can dequeue the message. It works in similar fashion like a topic, wherein one integration can push a message to Oracle integration and n number of subscriber integrations can subscribe to the same set of messages. I will provide the link for this documentation in description. Please check out. I'm here in Oracle integration code instance. Click on create and select publish to OIC. Click on select. Provide the name as test underscore int underscore publish. Click on create. Once the designer canvas opens up, here I'm trying to create a REST interface for this publish integration, where I can pass this details for leave from a person, like name, reason for leave, from date and to date. For that I have to drag and drop a OIC REST connection over here, drop a REST connection on this plus icon and provide the name like REST underscore trigger. Click on next. I want to make this as a post interface, give the endpoint as leave apply, keep everything default, request configure yes. Click on next. From here select JSON, provide this JSON sample, click on OK, click on next, click on done. Go to tracking. Here let me push this name to tracking field 1, that is name of the applicant. Click on save. So our this integration will push a message with these details like name of the applicant, reason, from date and to date to our OIC messaging service. Click on close and activate the integration. Our integration got activated. And next thing in this approach is creating a subscribe integration. We are going to create two subscribe integrations in this video. Click on this create, click on subscribe to OIC. Give the name as subscribe01. Click on create. In the pop-up you have to select publish integration. As I am having only one publish integration in my instance, it's showing only one. Click on use. Here we can add the target, add some target connection to this target endpoint and create a mapping accordingly, and click on save and close this integration. I have activated this subscriber01 integration. Let me clone this integration and create a second subscriber for this publish integration. For that, click on this clone. Here we have to name this as 2 for the second subscribe integration. Click on clone and done. Click on activate. Now we'll trigger this integration. Click on this run. Once you are in the test window, click on this body. From here, we'll give this john@bnmlearning.com. Click on test. Let us go to monitoring and check subscribe and publish integration. As you can see, we are having one trigger, one message received for publish and one message received for the subscribe integration 1 and 2. Let's check in the publish. This is successful. It has a process completed successfully. Let's go to this subscriber 1. Click on this audit trail. Yeah, it has received the message. Now let's go to subscriber 2 integration and check whether it has received the message. As you can see, it has received the message. This got errored out because my target connection, I have, for the demonstration purpose, I have created a dummy REST connection. Because of that, you are not seeing it showing as an error, but it has successfully received the message. If you have set the enabled payload to view in the monitoring, then you will get the payload details like the message and all. I have set it off, so I'm unable to show you the messages, but you can set the payload as on for your OIC instance, so that you can view what message you have received. Like this, we can build a publish subscribe integrations, and for one publish integration you can have n number of subscribe integrations. As per your business need, you can go for this approach of publish and subscribe integrations.